In the mountains of southern Mexico, 99% of children do not have access to the internet. This lack of connectivity is widening the already extensive gap in opportunity between indigenous and public school. We are determined to bridge this gap by connecting these schools to the internet. The Bacaanda Foundation was founded in 2008 to promote the development of marginalized indigenous communities through education. Most of the communities where we work are isolated and often inaccessible during the rainy season. Since 2008, we have constructed or renovated 32 rural schools. One of our core beliefs is the need for close collaboration with the parents of these communities. They play a central role in reviewing and refining each community project. We count on their active participation when it comes time to get started.
Aquí subiendo hacia el Cerro Machete, subiendo con la pila para el internet, para los niños del CONAFE. Próximamente van a tener su internet en escuelas.
Now, we call our newest project Intelligent Rural Schools. It consists of building an internet signal network that will connect more than 50 schools within an area of 16,000 square miles. It will benefit over 700 students.
Más que nada, darle gracias a la fundación, este apoyo sobre todo para los niños, que lo van a requerir mucho, lo van a necesitar. Y sobre todo, pues también con el apoyo que nos ha dado hay que echarle ganas también nosotros, agradecerle y que siempre estaremos al lado de ellos.
This project will offer students across multiple grades an electronic link to the outside world through the internet. Our goal is to use technology to deliver a premium, state-of-the-art educational experience that will transform the future of students in these isolated communities. We don't work for these communities, we work with them.